The following video is intended for general audiences. It may contain coarse language, bad puns, suggestive images, and bad advice. It probably just contains retro computer crap. But don't try this at home, even if I tell you to.
So here's another one I was playing with, and I actually did put this up on YouTube. I never got much farther after the YouTube video. It was supposed to be a version of Afterburner where you were just dodging. You know, there was not supposed to be shooting dashes into an aircraft, so you can't shoot. One of the funnest parts I had playing the arcade Afterburner was just getting in the zone and just weaving through the missiles coming at you. And so I figured, reproduce that here, and that'll be fun. I don't know, it could have been. So this was working with FinalBurn, one of the early versions where the license still lets you distribute the resulting code. So the whole idea was going to be I'd distribute the modified version. You drop the Afterburner ROMs in, and you got Afterburner Dash. I didn't update the title page yet. Why isn't it working? Oh, you mean you need focus, of course. See? Dashes! Oh, you can't see that, can you? It's off the screen. Oh well, it says dashes. Don't know where I've got the keys bound. Wish I hooked up my flight stick for this. Oh well. Here we go.
Get ready.
Alright, that seems to be it. There we go. Acceleration. Where's... Oh goodness, that's not useful. I wonder where I put the acceleration keys. They're gonna start shooting at me soon. It would be helpful to know. I'd like to know how to speed up and slow down, please. Woohoo! Very difficult to get through anywhere without the speed up key. Which key is it? Oh gosh. Oh. Come on, last. Oh, what is that key? I wonder if it'll pause if I bring this up. Of course not! Throttle. Oh, good. There's no key bound. Alright, well, let's see. There must be a pause button here somewhere. There's a reset button. You wanna watch me start again? Throttle to max looks useful. I was trying to hit this key anyway. Come on. There. Push. I'm not pushing key 0. Buggy software. Why is it all mapped to joystick anyway? Keyboard. Hey, there we go. C. C is a bit far over. I'll just change some of these keys. I don't need the Vulcan missile, so let's make that one C. Oh, stupid thing. Fine. C it is. One more quick try here.
Get ready.
I thought these were good ideas for keys. Why is it singing ding? Oh, well, it seems to work. It's just repeating oddly. Alright, so back to the commentary. It just seemed to me the idea of, flying at high speed through the air, doing all these stunts and barrel rolls, seemed like a lot of fun. Seemed like the sort of thing Dash would do. The Dash sprite is actually a Second Life model. I posed her into all the various positions needed. Then I had to reverse engineer enough of the game to get the sprites right. I cheated. It's emulation only. I'll see, I go too fast and I die. But yeah, it's emulation only. It's actually just replacing in the emulator the various sprites. I started working on reversing, the actual code, and getting new sprites in there was just going to be a royal pain in the butt. So I didn't do that. Alright, here we go. This is where we left off. Plus I love the jet sounds. Oh man. But I go fast and I know I was doing better before I knew where the speed keys were. The only thing I wasn't sure was what to do with the missiles. Would I give you some kind of a bonus for dodging, or would they give you access to higher speeds? Would that just burn down your turbo? I think it's game over. Yeah, I'm not going to quit yet. Not when this track's up. Oh, okay, I gotta slow down. Come on, Dash. You can do better than that. They're just missiles. Why are you letting them touch you? Ugh. We at least have to make it to the ground. Come on. There we go. And the hundreds of tiny people and trucks service the mighty Dash. Yeah, this emulator didn't have the road layer working, so no road. Oh, well, come on, let's get through some of this. I should probably do this video again and actually use my joystick, because this is really friggin' hard with the keyboard. Now we got a problem. Oh no, you gotta be kidding me. Thank you, media server. T-versity, if you were wondering. I bought the dumb thing again. It still crashes all the time. Not impressed. Oh, here we go. This'll be fun. Flying through the canyon. Yeah, I know, I'm doing it at minimum speed. That's not very Rainbow Dashy. Alright, we'll go a little faster. We're not shooting at anything. Never done this facing up. Usually I'm shooting up the targets. There we go. Now we got a problem because there's a missile on our tail. Oh, I don't know where it is. It's not on the radar anymore. Maybe I lost it. Ah. Alright, one more dash and then we're gonna call this one quits. Come on. There we go. This was supposed to become Princess Celestia, but I wasn't sure what she was supposed to be doing. Woo! Oh, I moved into that one too. That was my fault. Oh, goodbye, Dash. You only made it halfway. And that was that one.